This right here is a 2024 Ford Explorer that already has the side rails up, and now we are going to be adding the roof bars on top so that we can carry things on top of our vehicle. But you can just see what it looks like before we add the roof rack. It comes in this nice box packaged just so nicely through here. Everything is individually wrapped as well, so it does not get messed up in transport. So you can see right here, everything's just packaged very well. Super easy to just, unbox it all. I've gotten everything unboxed right through here, and you can see those white labels. Everything is labeled perfectly for you. Very clear to understand instructions as well, but it tells you what side of the vehicle these go on. So you can see right through here, this says right, and then the other, obviously says the left. And then the central tubes as well tell you what direction they need to face. You can see that says front of the vehicle, and that is because it is thicker towards the front of the vehicle and narrower towards the end, because it has a featured wing light design so that it decreases the noise, which you can see I've got everything laid out. First thing you will want to do is unscrew these screws on the tubes and take the washer off as well. And then you will add the end piece and put the screw and washer back on, and just make sure those get tight. And then you can see I've already gotten it done on this side. Just super fast and easy to do. You will also need this key to take the piece off of the very top so you can get down to that screw to loosen this piece, which actually attaches to the side rails of the vehicle. So let me put this on top so you can see. So right through here, you will unscrew until this piece drops down far enough so that it will reach underneath the rail. But you can see right here, I will just push this and it goes in, and I will tighten this screw right through here. And so this is holding this in place on the side rail. But this is just so easy to do because it gives you everything that you need. Literally, I'm just twisting until this gets tight, and I will be done with this side. It's just very fast. I did this whole process probably in like 10 to 15 minutes as a female. So just so easy to do. And so you can see this side is on and tight right through here. And then I'm going to start working on the front bar now, twisting this as well, just getting everything nice and tight. And then you will put the key back in to lock it in place, and that's just going to ensure everything is tight, stays in place. And so you can see I cannot put any more pressure to twist, and so I know that it is tight. Locking it right through here, and I am done. Very fast process. You can see how good this looks on top of the vehicle right through here. Just going to help so much with being able to take extra things that don't fit in the trunk space now for vacations, which is great to have. It makes the vehicle look really nice as well. And these also do not add any noise to the car. We have been driving this for a few days now, and it is not making a difference at all with these being up top.